I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be recreating this look that I did. It is inspired by two of my favorite artists on Instagram. Their pages will be linked down below.
I fall in love too easily.
I really liked this look because it's very fun, creative, and cutesy. So let's start. Today I'm gonna be using this aloe soothing facial spray and just spray it on my face, I guess.
For love to ever last.
Now, of course, I'm gonna be using my Thirst No More moisturizer. Next, we're gonna move on to brows, and of course, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard. For love to ever last. I fall in love too easily. I fall in love.
Now, using this concealer, I'm going to be using it as an eye primer for my shadows.
Love too terribly hard. For love to ever last.
So I'm going to grab this hot pink shade with this brush that I just showed you and start carving out the shape of a cloud. As you can see, I'm taking my time to carve out that first line. Now, grabbing a red shade from the same palette, I'm going to continue doing that cloud shape. It doesn't need to be perfect since we're going to be cleaning up those edges with concealer.
둘이라는 건 점점 떨림이 되고 긴긴 아쉬움.
With that same brush, what I'm trying to do is blend it out, but then I noticed that it's not doing much.
우리
Now, using this small blending brush or whatever kind of brush, I'm just blending out those edges while packing on more color at the same time.
길을 잃은 우리
Right now, I'm grabbing my favorite blending brush from Morphe and just, of course, blending out those edges, and later on just packing on more color and blending it out. When you have the intensity you want from these colors, you just start carving out that cloud.
끝이 보지 못했던 흐릿하던 네 얼굴이 난 궁금하지가 않아. 어떠한 표정도 너와
take your time while doing this because it's so easy to fuck up.
그냥 알고 싶지 않아.
Bring that concealer to the center of your lid and of course blend it out. I'm tapping it with my finger to be able to blend it out a little bit better. Just setting it with some white eyeshadow with this little flat brush. With this eye, I'm adding one more lump, and then later on, since I liked this eye, I'm adding another lump to my other eye. I don't know if you guys understand. Now with this dense little brush, I'm going to grab that same red shade and just drag it down in my waterline, just the outer half. Next, just grab that same pink shade and of course add it to the inner lower lash line. Using my NYX matte liquid liner in, black, I'm just gonna draw a very thin line just so my lashes blend in with my look. Add mascara. Do it. Now using the shades Scrooge and Rooch from ColourPop, I'm going to be drawing the upside down hearts with this angled liner. I repeat, take your time. Take your time with this. This is very detail oriented, and enjoy your time drawing on those hearts so that they look as pretty and as clean as you want. Now using Rooch, I'm going to be adding that to my lips just a dot or two and blending it out from center to the outside. Using the shade from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, I'm just going to be adding it to my inner corner and to the highlight of my brow bone. And now just adding this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to my waterline. And of course, just apply this shade as highlighter. Now adding Bumble from ColourPop to my nose, just a dot or two, and blending it out. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved this look. I was so excited to show it to you guys. Don't forget to check out those two artists that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. They are very sweet people. I absolutely adore them. They inspire me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye!